Welcome back to KnowHow. In today's video, we are diving deep into the powerful DGET formula, one of Excel's most underrated yet valuable function. In this video, I will explain how to use this formula with example, its merit, demerits, and how to handle errors in the functions. So keep watching this video till end. Don't forget to subscribe KnowHow and press the bell icon for more videos. Before starting the practical example, let's start first by understanding the concept behind the DGET formula. DGET is a shortcut for database get. It's a dynamic data retrieval formula in Excel. It allows you to extract specific data from the database on multiple criteria. If we look into the syntax of the formula, it consists of three main things: database, field, and criteria. The database range is an area containing your data. It's typically consisting of the columns with headers and multiple rows of data. The field parameter refers to the column header of the specific data that you want to retrieve from the database. The criteria range defines the conditions or criteria that determine which data to extract. It consists of the table with column header corresponding to the field in the database. So we are going to apply this DGET formula on this data. Data is about different forms, trees, their height, age, and yield. And with the same headings, I have made another table here. So for example, I am going to apply this formula under this height. So I will write equal DGET bracket start, and now I have to specify the database. So the whole table is my database. Then I have to specify the field. The height is the cell that I will select as a field. Then I have to select the criteria. So farm and trees are my criteria. Then I close this bracket and hit the enter, and you can see that the message appears that hashtag num, which means that we have to select the farm. For example, I select phase farm and then specify the tree, for example apple, and now you can see that it is giving me the height. For calculating the age and yield, first I have to freeze the rows by pressing F4. Then hitting the enter, and now put your cursor on the bottom right corner of this cell and drag to your right, and now you can see that it is giving me the complete information of the apples in the phase form, their height, their age, and their yield. So now you can see that I can efficiently search in my data. For example, I want to get the information about the apples not in the phase form but in the Salim's form. So I will write SALWM Salim form, and you can see that the information about the apples in the Salim form is written over here. So you can change the form and tree and get the corresponding data from your database. Now coming towards how to handle errors in this formula. Basically there are two types of error. The first is hashtag value error. The value error occurs when no record match. For example, if I search dates from the phase form, the error occurs and it tells that the hashtag value error, which means that there is no date trees in the data for the phase form. Another type of error is the num error. This error occurs when more than one record is found for a specific value. For example, I write apple over here, and then for the form I delete this cell, and you can see that the error is a num error, which means that apple is not only present in a single type of form but it is repeating in different forms. You have to take these in your consideration while applying this formula. Congratulations! By now you have a solid grasp on DGET formula. Let's explore its more functions by applying it in your own worksheet projects. If you found this video useful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more Excel tutorials and tips. And as always, feel free to leave any question or suggestions in the comments below. Thank you for watching and happy excelling.